As a team, we are out on another mission. AB, Andrew Burden, and we are up the back country. This was supposed to be where we were going to go for opening day, but it didn't. Well, as we all know, everything got flooded again, didn't it? Same as every year. Opening week's always cursed. So here we are. We're finally cracking into it. We're here for 2 days, so we're going to go up today and we're going to go down tomorrow. It should be good. I've decided to bring out a little honey of a rod that I wouldn't normally take up here because it's a 2-piece and I like to carry things back in 4 pieces on the walk out, but I thought fuck it, I'm going to do it today. She's a Sage RPL 4-weight, 7'11", so nice little short, absolute soft honey of a rod. And AB brought the 5-weight Sage Igniter out, so because he thought it might be windy, but it wasn't. That's alright, both fucking brilliant rods for the day, and that's what we're going to use. We're going to go dry dropper setups to start with and see how the fish are reacting and playing from there. We can always change stuff up if it doesn't suit. But yeah, let's see how the day goes. Cheers for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit those fucking special buttons, and catch you at the end of the video. Ciao.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Got him! Fuck me. I didn't even see you cast. I was fucking trying to fix my camera. Yeah, big rainbow. Nice. Yeah, good rainbow, bro. Man. Oh, it's a tank, mate. Slide them on in. One more, mate. One more little uppies. Yeah, fucking with that head. Jaws. Nice, bro. Send it. Oh, is he right? Yep. Oh, fucking shit. Oh, pulled me off somehow. I had him. That was a good sized fish too. Shit the bed. Just like that, he's on. Just as I walk up, eh? Oh, did you not know he was there? Oh. Fuck, man. Oh. Oh no. Gonna get him. Oh, he fucking got him. Nice work, mate, nice work. Oh, look at that big happy jaw fucking jack, eh?
Smiley.
How cool's that? Oh, how cool. Nice. And when you're ready, mate, oh. Sort of pop in for a minute and just say something. These Kia hours, I just had a smash on it. I've always been carrying like a life straw bottle, like the whole bottle. You can fill it up and drink it. I was like, this would be way lighter. So I thought I bought one, tried it, and it's actually really like just easy to drink. It's not like normally when you gotta suck super hard through straws. So I'm pretty stoked with that. That's fucking awesome. Nice. Shot one, Kia. Matt.
And goat here. Run this one down. Two. Stand cunt. Straight up from you. He just came right to the right. He's coming towards the U bend. Straight ahead from you. Yep, that's good. That's good. Maybe 2 foot more. Yeah. That's good. That's good. Oh, he didn't move. Maybe just another foot. It may be a fraction more. Yeah, he's coming over for it though. He's got it. Rainy.
Really healthy looking rainbow though.
Yeah, he's solid, eh?
But yeah, it's got the grunt.
Boom.
Oh.
Oh. Sweet.
Amazing looking fish. Just recording. Oh, I've got the net too, don't I? How did I get down here last time? Should I throw it? I'm going to chuck it in front of you. On there. Got him! Nice work, mate. Nice work. I'm coming down.
Righty.
Oh. This is the fun shit we do. Oh. Oh, yep, there we go. Up a touch and then done. Shit and see. Beautiful.
Sweet.
Nice smack.
Nice.
Woo. You dumb fuck. Huh? Everything but the nymph. I think everything but the nymph. Oh, what? No, I do have the nymph. I just gotta hold on. I just gotta fucking. It's tangled itself though. And I hadn't thought about looking by it because I've been casting the whole and haven't, you know, I was like, oh, yeah, everything's all good, you know. And then next minute. Be my fucking luck, eh? Fuck up too many fish. Yep. Yeah. Got him.
Got him, got him. Where did he come from in the NT that?
He fucking crossed over from here somewhere. Yeah. Crazy. He hit it like a ton of bricks. I was just about to change that fly thinking, oh, he doesn't like the green and black.
Bang.
And bam. He fucking charged it like a bass meal. Oh. Oh, no.
Shit, 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 shit.
Oh no.
Oh no. Fucking rod. You still on?
Yep.
Ha!
Holy shit, man.
Fuck, that's the least nimble I've ever been.
Oh, he's wrapping me around something. Oh, he's fucking on something. He's swimming around, and I'm fucking stuck, I think.
I'll go up and around the...
Yeah, look at him. Swimming around.
Oh, here, I'll...
DJI action cam, eh? Instead of the GoPro 12, they reckon it's a better camera. Yes, yes, beautiful. Well done, got him. I'll just get this net out of here for you while I'm trying to record at the same time. You got me? Oh, is it brownie? Holy shit, we found the brownie. Oh, where? Oh, we got nowhere. Oh no. Oh yeah, back in he comes. Wonder if it's that same one. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! You get him? No! Oh shit! What's your rod tip?
We've done our best.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down,
Alright team, that was an absolute cracking fish to end the day on. It's just cracked 5 o'clock, so we're pretty up in the hills, so we're going to start our walk back for the day. I haven't done very well today, only one real nice rainbow, it was 4.5 pounds. It was a good fish, but yeah, that's all I managed to knock today. No, well, you get that, that's life. Andrew got about 4, I think, so he's done well today. And we'll see what tomorrow brings, so stay tuned and see you tomorrow.
What's that?
We hit a little one?
Yeah. He's going. Like he got a good side profile there. No, that's a way bigger one.
A good fish.
Yeah, it's a way better fish. That was a good fish. Woo-hoo.
Alright, ready? Nice. Lovely big rainbuck. How good. Send them home. Jeez, bro. What a way to end the day. That brownie than that. Woo. We wouldn't hear about it, but we just caught another one out of here. Weren't recording again, but it's crack up. How good. How good. Might be Happy Jack from earlier. Might have been the fish you already caught today, but hey, we'll take him again. Unless it is a third fish, it's possible. It's a nice hole. Like, look at it, beautiful spot. Yeah, man. Oh, shit. Yeah. Nah, it's a different fish. 3 fish out of that one hole. How good. Woo. Yeah, nice. Cheers, mate. Back in later on, buddy. Woo. Boom.
Nailed it.
Good to go.
Sweet.
That's it. Tent set. Nice. And we got some steak, eggs, and mushies, and some breads, and some fucking cups of tea. We fucking rooftop tents and damn vans. Good camping missions, eh? Fucking on. Yeah, but heavy steak, mushy, and eggs. Andrew's already smashing it. We fucking good. Little Weber doing the job. Morning, guys. Just packed everything up. Time to put some wet backcountry skins and boots on, and we'll crack into day 2. Fucking should be good. Should be good. Stay tuned. Hello, little piggy. Oh no. Fucking found one! Steady old red bead here in copper, mate. Alright, first fish of the day. Sweet little rainbuck. Linties. Send it. Yeah, little one. Right. Better than nothing. Bye. What was I gonna say? Oh, just popped. Oh, wretched. It's roughly where he was before. Yeah, he was funny before too, man. Took a couple of casts straight over him. I'll crack up feet it again though. Yeah, he's right there. I see him. Yep. It's the same fish, bro. Shit you not. Yeah. Old fucking Dumbos, eh? Pretty confident. Same spot. Looks the same fish. He's digging deep for it, mate. Sweet jackaroony. Ate the fly twice. No good. Wait a minute. Got one. Oh, a little one. No, I got the net. I got a tiny one. Yep. Fucking just like that. Oh, is that a... We'll try keeping this way if we can, because like I say, there's probably more fish up there. Bit of good rainbuck. All on the side of that little cunt, undercut, eh? Good rainbow, good rainbow. Oh, he's actually fat, bro. It's good fish. With tail on him. Big paddle. Big paddle. Quite a bit of flow there, eh? Ooh. I'm gonna let you go, don't worry. Oh, he's in the fast now. You might be doing... Oh, that new fucking guideline 5 weight into 11. Doing the work, doing the damage. Mind that stick he's trying to whop you on. Oh, he's trying to get you on that stick. Cheeky. Not his first rodeo. Oh, you might need to flip the net round, mate. You're upside down.
Pan. Try and pan him.
Here, bro, when you're ready. How good, mate? Just dragging like fuck, eh? Oh, he's chasing it. Yep, got him. Got him. I seen that. I seen that.
He's on it, he's chasing it, he's got it. Yeah, boy.
I seen that.
He's coming. He came from miles.
He's a good fish, man. He's got some go. Woo!
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
He gone.
Fucking got to the Don't do a Dino to me.
Don't you take me down there.
Yeah, it's fast water. So I don't want to snap him off though either, you know?
Oh no!
Just pop.
Oh no!
Alright team, that's us. We out. Man's off, we're off. And that was a cracker couple of days with AB up in the back country. So yeah, what a banger video. Some sweet fish. Not as many brownies as we thought, only the one, but it was a day of solid, 2 days of some solid rainbows. So, man, thank you for watching. Remember, if you want to I can take you up here for a guide. So if you're looking for guides or anything like that in the Waikato King Country, Waipa area, hit me up. And don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and check out our Facebook and Instagram at TroutFixNZ, and the YouTube is also at TroutFixNZ. Alright, catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Whew.